Welcome to LootLocker, the game backend for everyone. With LootLocker, you can manage your game's assets, your player profiles, and live features easily through the LootLocker interface. In this short demo, I'm going to show you how to add new assets and then gift them to a player. This is a LootLocker home screen and asset manager where you can easily search for all of your assets. On the left, you have different components like levels, players, live features, and DLCs. Let's create a new asset. Assets can be anything from cosmetics to currency. It's totally up to you and what you need in your game. After giving the asset a name, we can select the context and type. These help define the content when LootLocker talks to your game. Once an asset has been created, you can populate its data. LootLocker has been designed to be as flexible as possible, so we can provide different fields and tags to help you sort or define the assets in your game. Once you've added all relevant information, you can make the asset active and test it in your game. In addition to managing all of your game's assets, LootLocker stores all of your players' information and makes it available to you. By entering a player's platform ID, like Steam ID or PlayStation Online ID, you can quickly retrieve that player's profile. Here you can view the player's login and progression, as well as their wallet and inventory. The inventory displays all items that are connected to the player as well as their orders, which include purchases, unlocks, or rewarded assets. You can also gift or refund assets to players really easily. To gift an asset, simply click the Give Asset button and select an asset from the modal. Next time the user starts the game, that asset will be in their inventory. If you have any questions regarding LootLocker, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.